Trimming versus shaving, what's the best call? Now, in my opinion, trimming is always going to be the best situation. The reason why is because everything can blend together. Now, you're gonna get in trouble when you are starting to grow a little longer, especially around our neck area and our back neck area. And these are places where you're going to need to shave. And this is where we need to blend the both. So for example, right now, my beard is getting a little long after that 5 o'clock shadow. And in this area, do I want to keep it trimmed or do I want to keep it shaved? Now, when it comes to the trim, you got two options. You can either use a non-guard trimmer, like this one from Brio. The actual trimmer itself has an adjustable guard within itself, but I like a little more malleability when it comes to my length. So I'm not just limited to that short of length. Maybe I want to go a little longer. So I'm going to set this one to 3. Yeah, and that's going to be about the length that I want. So let's go ahead and trim this part up. Now we did a quick trim, and I know you've seen me do that a million times, but I wanted to convey to you that when you are doing these trims, I want to keep this from a Thursday to a Sunday. And usually when you're running into the office and you want to do something formal, or if we need to go on a day on the weekend, I would prefer shaving. But if we are going out maybe on a date or something on the weekend, I really want to give myself a line. And right here in particular, like I was talking to you guys about here, this is where you guys really want to clean everything up. Just right here in the back. And as I have gotten older, the hair just keeps growing in new places. And right back here in the neck is no different. Now, this is something that you're going to be wanting to do when you're going out and doing a little more like meet and greets, get-togethers. But if you're not really having to worry about the weekend, I rather just would trim. It makes life just a little easier. And I do like having that separation though. One thing I do like about shaving, you do get a little bit of separation. You get a little bit of a cleanliness, but I do also like that neck beard going on. It gives me a little bit of, hey, not really care, kind of look like a cool, older dad. I don't know, but you have options. If you want to trim, if you want to shave, but if you want to go on guidelines wise, I like to keep everything nice and neat from Monday to Thursday. Obviously, that gives us time to grow out the neck a little bit. But as we progress in length in our beard, you really want to start lowering that down. So if you're going full throttle and you want to grow out your beard and you have that neckline, every time you shave and you create that neckline, you just want to go out and grow it out a little bit, maybe like 1/4 of an inch each time. And then the beard will start catching up. We'll trim up a little bit, and sometimes we might have to go a little higher for our beard to catch up. And I do want to address something to you guys as well. Yeah, I have been posting a few things that are a little different from my beard content, but I thought this would give me a little bit of variety. I need to change some things up, but we will always continue to do some beard topic and beard and hair care. So throughout the week, I will be just kind of mixing and mashing. And if you like some stuff, subscribe, like, and if you don't, no worries, man. We had a good time. And once again, I will see you guys on the flip side. See ya.